Hey guys, welcome. As to the making of this video, it is 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I am in Riverside, California, United States. And the reason I'm making this video is I've been keeping track of the prices of precious metals, mainly gold and silver, but specifically more into silver. I am making this video just to express myself that I am happy, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for this, but I am happy that the cost of silver specifically is going down, or at least in my opinion, hopefully goes down lower, leveling out to the natural inflation costs. To me, I think and hoping that silver go down as low as, I would say, $35. It'll be great for going under that, because I'm speaking from a collector's point of view. I am not an investor. I am not a stacker. And I am more of a collector. I like collecting, silver coins and bullions. To me, these are like history. They're a work of arts. Precious metals, especially silver, has a way of presenting the artwork, the history. And this, I would say, past, annual, if you want to say that, 6 months has been a roller coaster ride. Seeing that the cost of silver goes as high as, 100, almost $120 an ounce. Well, that definitely kept me away from buying any more silver coins and bullions, because the prices went higher than the projected premium. And I remember back then, I would say 2019, even 2020, we had silver as low as 15, definitely under $20 an ounce. And I was quick to grab the artwork that was available, presented. And yeah, I did pretty good, but I wasn't thinking of it as an investments point of view or anything. But also in the back of my mind, silver has always been a great backup. In a way, it is an investment, but for me, I think of it an art investment. If anything was to happen, it's true that, people say that you could use it to barter, because silver and gold, they have a history that expands to, thousands of years to be able to use as trade commodity. But for me, speaking from a collector's point of view, yeah, I am glad that the price of silver is, hopefully go down lower. And like I said, I'll get a lot of hate from the stackers and collectors, and I mean, from the investors. But that's just my opinion. I don't take it as, like I said, I'm not a stacker or investor. And I do feel really bad for the people who jumped on board trying to get their hands on silver, and then just to get the price of silver crashing down, from as high as 120 to right now currently sitting around $73, a little bit higher than 73. But that's good news for me, in my opinion. All right, guys. Thanks for hearing me blab, and join me for future episodes on more coins and bullions. But this is just my opinion on how I feel about the current state, about the current market. And like I said, I'll repeat myself. I am glad that the silver price is dropping, and hopefully it'll drop down to, a reasonable natural inflation market type pricings. So I'll be able to increase my collection. So there it is, guys. Thanks for joining me. Till next time. Peace.